Hey guys, my name is Sophia Munoz and today I'm going to be collabing with Billion Dollar Brows and Beauty, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I did was create my palette, and now I'm going to go in with the shade Honey and go all over my lid. Next we're going to go in with the shade Hickory and go in the little outer corner of the eye. So next we're going to go in with the shade Amber and put that in the inner part of your lid. Then we're going to go back into the shade Hickory and just blend out just to not have any little harsh lines. So next, totally random, you don't have to do this, it's just I personally like having a look with eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with Raven, one of the brow powders, and use that to make my wing liner. I personally like having a wing liner with my everyday looks. I'm not sure, not everyone's like that, but I really enjoy it. Alright, so next I'm going to go back into Hickory and use that on my waterline. I'm also going to go in with the shade Honey as well and also use that to blend out Hickory a little bit. Okay, with that, my eye look is complete. Now we're moving on to blush. So for blush, I mix Passion and Illusion together. Just go ahead and put that on the cheek. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Illusion for my highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with this taupe pomade for my eyebrows. And lastly, I'm going to add taffy on my lips. And off camera, I added some mascara and setting spray. I absolutely love this brand. I love my little palette. I also love that I can keep buying things and adding to it or change it up and make it, I guess, kind of a mood. Change it up in the way that I want it to be. Okay, and once again, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Sophia Munoz. I really enjoyed the opportunity of working with Billion Dollar Brows and Beauty, and that's the whole video. Thank you.